Welcome to another edition of the Aussie Tree Chaser. The tree industry has come such a long way over the last couple of decades in regards to a more thicker and compact tree. I'm going to show you two trees that will make tree planting more achievable on your property. Introducing the Tristaniopsis luscious. Now this magnificent tree species is the new and improved Tristaniopsis luscious, which is the water gum. Man, the capabilities of this magnificent specimen is mind-blowing. It truly is modern horticulture at its best. And another stunning feature is this magnificent white trunk, contrasting the landscape. And you can't go past this magnificent semi-gloss leaf with the brand new red shoots. Wow! Flowering period for this magnificent specimen is right through the warmer months, bringing off these magnificent fragrant flowers. This stunning tree gets to 7 to 12 meters by 5 meters in width. Wow! Woo! In regards to trees, it is the perfect package. Visually exceptional and 5 stars for performance. The next new and improved tree species we're looking at today is the magnificent Magnolia Little Gem. This magnificent tree species gets to around 4 to 5 meters in height and gets to 2.5 meters in width. Just think about this. The original parent plant, the Bull Bay Magnolia grandiflora, gets to 25 meters high by about 10 meters in width. This magnificent species has been bred to get to 5 meters by 2.5 meters. Man, that's a miracle. The Magnolia Little Gem will flower through spring right into summer, and you'll find it spot flower right through to autumn. Wow guys, I am absolutely blown away by the show of these magnolia flowers. Wow. The main attribute from its parent plant, the Magnolia grandiflora, is definitely these beautiful flowers. But another attribute is definitely the brownish reddish underside to the foliage. Well, I hope you enjoyed those two magnificent species in the Luscious and the Little Gem. Two compact tree varieties that gives us the opportunity to plant more trees around our properties. Modern horticulture has given us this opportunity. Let's take it, guys. The planet needs it.